Traffic ticket.
Wagwan,
Refund.
bro, wagwan. Yes, Patrick, yes. Brother, me know you could have get the news already. Somebody could have call and tell you. Hmm? Or you could have see it on the online newspaper, Instagram, and all these places. Brother, but me have to tell you still. Because the government and the inchman them out on the street every day. Transport authority and police. And them me a dog, and them are the inchman. Eh? Yes, man, them would have kill we have out there with ticket, man. Unnecessary ticket. Brother, I don't like a ball, you know what, man. We ball. Me I tell you, say, sometimes if you pay for all the ticket, then picnic can't even go to school, not even have no money to give me home and all these things, you know, brother. And why me I tell you, say, I check in at the Sunday paper. And me I tell you, say, when me looking at it, me say, me couldn't believe, brother, me almost me drop down traffic ticket refund dilemma. Eh? Brother, and a little talk, we talk and look there now. Them have to go give me back some of our money. Eh? Because them know them did that overcharge with them did that do it wrong. You know? Them did it's like them have them foot in our neck. Like them backramasa style, they back in the day when backramasa have been whip over your back to walk. And the same thing them there pan you now. Brother, me I tell you, say, it's not easy for we out there, you know. Eh? That's why more time me have to link you for your thing, you know, because me I tell you, say, as me go on the road sometimes, me will make all a $50,000, you know, for the week, you know. You know, cause due to how my car me I drive and thing, you know, me will make a good piece of money. But by the time me have to, you know, pay there some pay there, so, you know, we for ticket and all these things, them all 4, 5, 6 ticket me have $100,000 worth of ticket. It's wicked, but we. That's why more time you have to link your for your thing, brother, and I really like say, me don't know how to spend money and all these things. You understand? Yeah, man. The government do it bad, man. Me I tell you, man. Me I tell you. Yeah, man. See that? I paper me have you look in, brother. Me I tell you, man. The paper. Yes, man. Government attorney wrangle over how motorists should collect 2 billion of illegal imposed fine. Court to decide on compensation regime in September. Can you imagine? I mean, they are wait plan to collect back some of my money still in one star. Me, I tell you, yeah, man, me they are wait to collect back some of my money, man, because they hit me hard. Me, I tell you, man. Mm. Well, brother, you are now, as me did don't tell you from where you say, at the international minutes may I use because I not get the Pro Max yet, yeah? The iPhone Pro Max yet when me ask you for me not get it yet. You understand, brother? But me still there, I wait upon it, you understand? Please do like and subscribe, okay? And my YouTube channel when me I try build over the year.